Greetings world. We are the Anonymous Agents. The governor of North Dakota has called in the National Guard in a fit of cowardice. My question to you, governor, is why would you call in the National Guard on site for a peaceful protest? Do you feel threatened? Or are you just mad because you're set to make millions on the pipeline and the Native Americans in the area are disrupting the project? You, Mr. Governor, and your sheriff are all set to make a lot of money off the pipeline, and we are calling you out, governor. Send the National Guard home and send the pipeline workers home, or we will release all the documentation of the workers, you pissant guards in the National Guard. We Anonymous are not afraid of you. You harm one hair on any of the Native Americans peacefully protesting the pipeline's construction, we will also release darks on you on the individual basis. Do not test Anonymous. And finally, to the Native Americans, stay strong and stay safe. The National Guard has orders to harm, if necessary, to them. That means any sudden movements, and they will cover it up. Record all interactions and post to YouTube a fable. We know you are unarmed and mean no harm to anyone. Anonymous is calling you out, you damn coward, governor of North Dakota. You harm one hair on the head of any Native Americans and we will release darks on everyone involved on the pipeline construction. Your actions are unforgivable. They only want clean drinking water, and you, being as corrupt as you are, do not care. Here is a lesson on the human body. For you humans need water to live. You construct this pipeline, you will be killing most of the heartland, if not all of it. Or did you plan on this, governor? You and Mr. Warren are making quick enemies of Anonymous. Speaking of Mr. Warren, we got word he has fled his home. Mr. Warren, we advise you return home and call off the pipeline project, or we, the Anonymous Agents, will release your family's darks as well as your employees' darks. Any employees of the pipeline watching this should quit if you do not want Anonymous to release where you live. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.